Are you one of those who always choose beans as the last option for the meal? Trust me, I have been there. But once I found this recipe on one of the content creators page and I tried it, and wow, everybody loved it. Since then, this has become the frequent to-go dish in our home. For this masala, I've taken coriander seeds, jeera, few dry red chilies, and some dry shredded coconut and the fried peanuts. Fry them and keep, and you can use this for about a month. And this masala can also be used for kundru or bhendi fry as well. Once these are fried, let them cool and grind it to a coarse powder. This masala is going to give a crunchy and nutty flavor in the beans, so adding peanuts is a must. Now, start heating some oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and jeera, let them pop. Now add in some curry leaves and the chopped onions and fry them until they are golden. Now we are going to add the beans. Here I have taken fresh green beans and cut them into small pieces and add them to the fried onions. Mix them all and fry together until the beans become soft and get well cooked. Beans are really one of the easiest ways to add something that's healthy and colorful to your plate. Plus, they're also rich in fiber, vitamins, and a great source of plant protein. So once the beans are cooked, add some salt and turmeric. Mix it all well, and at the last, we are going to add the fresh masala that we just made. Wow, this already smells amazing. Now top it off with some coriander leaves and beans fry is all ready to serve. Alright then, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And please let me know any feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching.